Hi everyone! If you want to know how to create this look, just keep on watching. Don't worry, there is an alternative to this lipstick, a more normal, neutral alternative, so just keep on watching. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. Ciao! I already applied my foundation and I did my brows. And I didn't apply any primer, but just a little bit of concealer, and on top of it I did a wash of translucent powder. Let's go. I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and we're going to apply the color Flamingo onto our crease. As we already applied foundation, I'm going to apply the same color on my under eye.
Remember to connect your under eye with your crease to create that V shape.
With a blending brush, in this case it's actually angled, we're going to apply Electric Violet by Natasha Denona, and we're going to apply it on our crease.
Apply it on top of Flamingo and connect to your outer angle to create the V shape. If needed, turn your brush in order to reach your inner angle.
We're going to apply it also on our under eye as well. Get a clean brush and blend. So, with the same blending brush, we're going to apply navy. We're going to apply it on top of Electric Violet to give it more depth.
Apply it also under your lash line.
With a flat brush, we're going to apply the color Quicksilver. Spray it with Fix Plus or wet your brush. Apply it on the middle of your eyelid.
Reapply navy where needed as it was covered by Quicksilver. Apply Quicksilver also under your lash line, in particular in the middle. Apply Deja Vu eyeliner in your inner rim.
So curl your lashes, apply mascara, and I actually applied also some falsies. These are from Vintage Cosmetics, they're kitty. I bought them from Boots. To give a little contrast to the look and to open our eyes, we're going to apply Blessed from Huda Beauty, the Rose Gold palette, and the tear duct. To finish off my face, I'm going to apply a blush, and this is from BH Cosmetics. I don't remember the name, but I will link it in the box below. I'm actually mixing it with also this other blush over here, so I'm going to apply these two. As an alternative, I'm gonna suggest two lipsticks. Echo Park from Colourpop Cosmetics and Clover from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So you can keep it or cold but neutral. So let's try them. Echo Park.
The look is done. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, comment below. I'll see you next time. Bye!